Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how you can hide your subscriber count on iPhone or iPad in 2021. This tutorial is part of the YouTube beginner's guide for iOS users only. So if you want to check out that whole series, be sure to click the link above. So the first thing that you would want to do, you would want to go to Safari. You would want to type in youtube.com. So now that you're signed into your YouTube account, if you haven't already, you want to go and tap on your YouTube channel logo up in the top right hand corner, and you want to go and select YouTube Studio. Now that you have YouTube Studio opened up, you want to tap on settings, the settings icon, and you want to go to channel. And now that you're in channel, you want to go to advanced settings, and you want to scroll down, and now you want to unselect subscriber count. You want to unselect display the number of people subscribed to your YouTube channel, and then you should click save. Click save, and then let me just show you guys that my subscriber count is not there. As you can see, my subscriber count is not there. So without further ado, that wraps up today's tutorial. If this tutorial helped you in any way, shape or form, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, and tell me what you think about this video, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching.